having my lunch. This is something that I figured out a month or so ago, because I have eggs and I have rice, cooked rice, and I have veggies. And I said, you know, can you put this together and make something? But I don't want to start my stove, and I want to just do it in the microwave. Can I do that? Yes, of course. The microwave is the easiest way of cooking. So here we are. Lunch. There it is. Serving. 2 eggs is a serving. Half a cup of rice. Part of a zucchini, however much you want. Add a drop of oil to it, 2 tablespoons water. All of this is sort of, I don't measure, except for the rice and the fact that it's 2 eggs. Pepper. There are already peppercorns in the rice, and I added pepper anyway. The rice is already salted, but I added salt anyway. You mix things up at certain stages. It takes maybe 5 minutes to make, and 3 minutes in the microwave. And you have your protein, your vegetables, and your carbohydrates. It's good. I like spicy food. And you know what? I consider pepper, like black pepper, a spice. Yeah, really. I always put peppercorns into my rice when I cook it. I hated that when I was a kid. When I got rice, I'd always pick out the peppercorns. Now, I toss more in than my mother ever did, and I eat them because I consider it to be a spice, and it's spicy in a way that I like. Whatever vegetable you have. I have a red pepper in there. I'm hanging on to it just in case we make pizza. Yeah, so this is the last of the zucchini. So I think that means I have to go shopping for veggies, because I don't have mushrooms. And the only vegetable I have fresh is the red pepper that's in the fridge. So there we go. Anyway, a really quick and easy microwave meal. Oop, I just gleeked. I love cooking for myself.